frank, honest, and of course insightful conversation that ET Now had with Vallabh Bhansali of the chairman of the ENAM Group, and he spoke about a multitude of topics. As of now, he says that the markets are certainly justified in this kind of a reaction that they had to the budget, perhaps a lot of relief because the budget has broken molds that had been on the agenda for quite some time, and Mr. Bhansali believes that definitely the budget has been a step in the right direction with a lot of risks taken in order to achieve growth. He believes that a lot of the reforms that have been undertaken in the budget are going to benefit the formal sector, and C+1 has enabled India to get the required support from customers. So he went on to actually say that he's extremely happy as a countryman today and is very proud of where the country currently stands and how we've dealt with this crisis, as well as our plans to manage economic growth. He believes that the kind of gush of liquidity flows has been very encouraging, and that FIIs or investors in general are definitely going to chase profits. So it's important to note that and always pay attention to prices, what he said. In terms of sectors, Vallabh Bhansali believes that India definitely has the opportunity to push a lot of the sectors, and that is going to be closely related to themes that are currently in focus, such as vaccines. So he believes that there's a lot of potential for the pharma sector as of now. He also believes that metals is as of now a question mark when it comes to the world market. There will be a more open chance now. IT and chemicals as well, he believes are very well settled sectors. He's also looking at smaller NBFCs in the informal sector, where he believes P2P will get a chance in financials. And in terms of financials, the good old trusted banks, he believes, are likely to perform very well, and big time is how he actually described it. He believes that there will be a self-correcting mechanism. Investors do need to be careful while investing, looking at the quality element of PE that is here to stay in India. And you know, he was very candid in admitting that the stock market is dangerous as of now, and you need to be alert. You just can't, you know, really follow the trends. There are a lot of factors that you need to be very conscious of, particularly the geopolitical factors. You need to be fairly conscious about that. And he actually said that you know, it's time to start a NASDAQ as well in India, and that there is a lot of potential for the Indian markets, the Indian economy, and that the next 5 years there will be a lot of wealth creation as well in India. That really this you know, the kind of growth that we can see, India's ability to ramp up their manufacturing over the next 10 years as well. There's a lot of potential. The government has decided to be independent. They brought in a lot of key reforms, and there'll be a lot of wealth creation in the long term in India, and the sky is really the limit.